Hello, my name is Kathy Green and I'm the owner of Upper Crust Maids. Today we're talking about how to professionally clean a home, and in this particular segment we're going to concentrate on cleaning a television screen and a computer monitor. In order to clean a television screen, there are two possible things you'll need. To clean the back of the television, personally, I use a vinegar water solution. I spray the vinegar water into a cloth, and again, it's 50% water, 50% vinegar. Just spray it into the cloth and wipe the back of the television with that. In terms of the monitor itself, if you don't have monitor wipes, you can just use a damp cloth and wipe the screen. But if you're fortunate enough to have wipes, I would use the wipes. Televisions are famous for collecting dust. Just to give you an example, I'm going to run my finger across here, dust. Run my finger across the screen, dust. So the first thing I'm going to do before I do anything else is just to, with my cotton cloth, just quickly wipe it. I would spray my vinegar water solution onto a cotton cloth, and I would start at the top, wipe, and the dust comes right off, no problem. I would then get the sides, so wipe the television. Because one thing about black furniture or black televisions, black appliances, if there's any dust on them, it will show up right away. So you want to just quickly wipe it off. Now, most people will never see the back, but it's good to know that it's done. And you don't want a dusty house, especially if there's someone in your house who has asthma or any type of respiratory problems. The less dust, the better. And as you can see, the dust came right off. So now that that's done, the next thing I'm going to do, since I happen to have some monitor wipes, I'm going to use monitor wipes. Otherwise, I would again have used just a damp cotton cloth, and I would have just gently wiped the monitor off. But since I have monitor wipes, I can use these on the screen. So we're going to make sure that we start with the corners because that's where a lot of the dirt is going to collect. And I want to wipe all four corners. That's done. And as you can see, dirt. So first we're going to go horizontal, from right to left, and then vertical. Make sure that you don't miss anything. It's very easy. Dust comes right off, dirt comes right off. And that's it. Now we're going to talk about how to safely clean the computer monitor. When we talked about the television, we talked about the fact that it's not appropriate to clean the screen and then walk away. You should also clean the back so that the whole television will look good. The same thing holds true with your computer. If the computer base is not clean, there are a couple of things you can do. One of them is you can take a white scrubby, and this one is very, very gentle. You want to take a very gentle white scrubby. You can damp it a little bit. Damp it just a little bit. And you want to go in there and you want to just target the areas where you see the dirt. And then you want to quickly get it back. Get it off, get the water off. In terms of the screen, I would use my screen wipes or my monitor wipes. Just want to pull one or two out. And just like with the television, going vertically and horizontally, I would do that here too. Check your corners for dust. And then you want to go horizontal, wiping the monitor off, and then you want to go vertically. And that really Should be all you need to do. You may want to look to wipe your cover. And this cover wasn't very dirty, it was okay. So we'll just do a quick wipe to make sure there's no dust on it. And that's it. Now that you know how to appropriately clean your computer, in our next segment we're going to talk about how to clean baseboards.
To watch the other segments in this video series or for how-to videos on almost any other topic, visit monkeyseed.com.